Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you part 1 on how to do the mail merge on the ribbon. So today it won't be on the wizard, it'll be on the ribbon. So for right now I'm under mailings, and how you'll be able to go to that part is first home. Remember that once you have set up your page, 1.9 around there for the dateline. You can click over here, 1.9 for the dateline, and 4 hard enters down. No spacing. Your showed hide is now activated. On to the mailing part. Start a mail merge. It's under Start Mail Merge on your ribbon. Make sure letter, it is clicked open, so it is activated. You select recipients, type a new list. This is where you can customize your columns, and for here always delete address line 2, delete, yes. Zip code, you can always rename it. Postal code, okay. And for right over here, state, that we definitely do not need, so delete, yes. And country or region, delete, yes. And then right over here, add, we definitely need a province. Okay. And let's move this back up. So click move up. Home phone, we definitely don't need it. So yes. Work phone, we definitely do not need that either. So click delete. Yes. Email address, we can leave that. But it all depends on your document. For the data source that you need to import it in or manually write it in. So right now we have title, first name, last name, company name, address 1, city, and then province, postal code, email address. Everything looks good. Click OK. So Mr. John Doe, not John Dunn, John Doe, Centennial College, 941 Progress Avenue, Scarborough. Always remember to follow the Canada Post for the abbreviation for the province, so ON for Ontario, and 1G3T9, I believe, not open bracket. John Doe at centennialcollege.ca. So when this is all filled out, click OK. It's going to pop up right here. It's going to ask you where you want to save your data sources. So for me, save it to somewhere where you can find it later on. What that means is that you need to have 3 documents, your main one, your data source, and your final. So for me, I always like saving it to my documents folder because I like everything nice and organized and easy to be found. So here I'm just going to put mock data source. Click save. And then from here, you're going to have to write your address block. So right here, Mr. John Doe at centennialcollege.ca. Yep. Everything here looks correct. Or another way that you can do it is insert merge field. So what that is that you can enter in everything one by one. So you can do title and then space. First name, space, last name, then another enter. This is where you do the company name. Enter. Address line, enter. And then this is where you do your city. Enter. Province. Enter, enter. Then you do your postal code. From there, another hard enter, enter, and then this is where you write your greeting line. So from the greeting line, you can go and choose if you want open punctuation or mixed punctuation. So from here, we can do our mixed punctuation. So click OK. And then enter, enter. Right here, you can write your subject line. Remember all caps. And spelling is a must. So subject. And from here, remember to bold it. Enter, enter, and this is where you start your letter. So once when your letter is actually completed, looking like this, so all paragraphs in the correct spot and there are no mistakes. What is actually good about it for a mail merge is once you can actually insert mail merge field if there is other ones in here. For example, you can inside right here if there's a rate or like a company or like a person's name that you want to insert or company name, you can just click company name here. Then later on you can also insert here the person's first name. You can insert their address again. So for inserting mail merge field, you can insert it wherever inside a letter that you want. Right over here, you can preview the results. And you can also preview it from letter by letter of how your letter is going to be looking like. So that is what is really good about using the mail merge that's on the ribbon. Everything is much more easier to view than using it on the wizard. So that's why a lot of people actually prefer it using on the ribbon. Once when you're satisfied with how your letter is looking like, you can do finish and merge. You can also click on edit individual. You can click all and then click OK. And this is where your third document now appears. As you can see, this is going to be your first one to John Doe. This is going to be your second letter. They have already inserted all of the page breaks for you, all the section breaks for you, everything nice and compacted. And your main document is on right over here. This is where all your data sources. And from here, document 1, you're going to do File, Save As, and save it to a place that you will actually know where to find it back. So from here, I'm just going to do Introduction to Word, Mail Merge, Mail Merge Mock Main. And here on your other document over here, you're going to go to File, Save As, Mail Merge, Mail Merge Mock Final. This is going to be your final one. Save. So in the end of all of your mail merging, you will have 3 files. The main one, the final one, and the data source. After that, when you're completely satisfied and done with everything, you can now send this off to your prof. And those are the 3 the files that she is looking for. Hope this helps you and have a great day. Bye for now.